Alright, so I bought this Milwaukee string trimmer over a year ago, and the string that came with it lasted until today. It's almost 100 degrees. I was in the middle of string trimming and the last little bit of string came out. So it's my first time putting string in this. Bring the camera on in here. I want to show them the top of this. So you have these two red lines that say align. And this string I have is 0.095 inches in diameter, which is pretty thick. So you're going to put it in one side, feed it all the way through the other side. And then what you're going to do is figure out, we want to get quite a bit in there so that we don't have to do this all the time. So I'm going to kind of bring this string up like this. I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to even this out so that my string is even on both sides, just like that. So if I come up here, I'm even. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, it has arrows that say wind in this direction. So I'm going to hold the bottom. See this arrow here goes this way, this one goes that way. Holding the bottom and I'm winding the top. I want to watch it at the end to make sure that I don't wind one of these inside of there and then have to take it apart. So you'll notice that we never had to disassemble anything. It's so easy. Okay, so we're done. So that's all there is to it. So ready to get started again.